Hi, my name's Stephen from DGS Mimaki. I just want to make this little video on the Mimaki UJF-3042 to show you that although with UV printing you can print onto pretty much anything, sometimes there are products that you'll find that although you may print onto it quite successfully, the ink doesn't adhere to the product. Now in this video I've got a little tin of water on the bed, and I'm printing to it with little to no problems at all. But obviously the ink isn't going to bond to the water. So when you're looking at this type of machine, always take samples of the product that you're going to eventually print onto to test for the adhesion of the ink to that product. There are some products where you'll get great adhesion. There are other products where you may need to put down a primer first to help the ink bite into that product and bond a lot better. Now this is what the image actually is that I'm printing. So that's the surface of the tin. So you can see we're putting down a little bit of color and a little bit of white. And obviously the ink is sitting on top of the water, and we can peel it off just like almost like a film that now has been laid on top of the water. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching.